Welcome to QuikCodes. In this video, we'll quickly cover ways to protect network devices from damage caused by electrical issues. We all know the importance of keeping our devices running efficiently and safe from power spikes and sags. But before we begin diving into solutions, let's first understand what spikes and sags are. A sag, also called a brownout, occurs when electrical power is significantly reduced. A spike, or power surge, happens when the voltage exceeds the standard level, such as 115 volts in the US. These common events can disrupt or even damage network devices. Since they can occur without warning, it's impractical to constantly monitor the voltage manually. Instead, the tips I'm about to share can serve as your 24/7 defense against these electrical problems. Now keep in mind that a strong sag can cause devices like computers to shut down or even reboot, while a surge, even a small one, can damage equipment. A power surge can destroy it. Just want to let you know. Tip number 1, use a surge suppressor, also known as a surge protector. A surge suppressor absorbs excessive voltage to protect your computer or other equipment. Choose one with a joule rating of at least 2,000 joules. And a joule is a unit of electrical energy, which tells you how much energy the suppressor can absorb before failing. Also, make sure it has a power reset switch. Tip number 2, use a UPS, also known as an uninterrupted power supply. A UPS provides backup power during outages or sags, giving you time to safely save data and shut down your computer. There are several types. You have an online UPS, which allows power to be always supplied through the UPS's battery. You have a standby UPS, which has battery power that kicks in only when the AC power drops. You have a line interactive UPS, which is similar to the online UPS. The only difference is it regulates voltage without the need to switch to battery power. Research the type of UPS that best fits your setup and whether you're protecting a server or a small workstation. Using these devices ensures a solid layer of protection against electrical disasters. As always, thanks for watching and continue learning by checking out the next video.